Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. Mathematics, SSLC NCERT, SSLC Annual Exam, April 2020, Part 3. 3-mark questions with solutions prepared by N. Parmesh. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Answer. Let us assume that root 5 is rational. Root 5 is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime. Q is not equal to 0. Cross multiplication. P is equal to root 5Q. Squaring on both sides, P square is equal to root 5 whole square is 5. Q square, call this as equation 1. 5 divides P square, which implies 5 divides P. Therefore, P is equal to 5K. Squaring on both sides, P square is equal to 5K whole square is 25K square, call this as equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, 5Q square is equal to 25K square. Throughout divided by 5, Q square is equal to 5K square, which implies 5 divides Q square, 5 divides Q. Therefore, 5 is a common factor of P and Q. This contradicts our assumption. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 5 is an irrational number. OR. Find the HCF of 24 and 40 by using Euclid's division algorithm. Hence, find the LCM of HCF of ordered pair 24, 40 and 20. Answer. A is equal to 40, B is equal to 24. According to Euclid's division algorithm, A is equal to B into Q plus R, where remainder R is greater than or equal to 0 less than divisor B. 40 is equal to 24 into 1 plus 16. 24 is equal to 16 into 1 plus 8. 16 is equal to 8 into 2 plus 0. 0 is the remainder, therefore 8 is the HCF. HCF of ordered pair 40, 24 is equal to 8. LCM of HCF of ordered pair 24, 40 and 20. LCM of 8 and 20. 8 is equal to 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. 20 is equal to 4 5 is 20, 2 square into 5. LCM of 8 ordered pair 8, 20 is equal to highest power of 2 is 2 cube into 5. 2 cube is nothing but 8 into 5. 8 5 is 40. 26th question. To save fuel, to avoid air pollution and for good health, two persons A and B ride bicycle for a distance of 12 km to reach their office every day. As the cycling speed of B is 2 km per hour more than that of A. B takes 30 minutes less than that of A to reach the office. Find the time taken by A and B to reach the office. Answer. Let the speed of A be x km per hour. Time taken by A to reach the office is equal to T1. T1 is equal to distance by speed is equal to distance is 12 divided by speed is x. The speed of B is 2 km per hour more than that of A. Therefore, speed of B is equal to x plus 2 km per hour. Time taken by B is equal to T2, that is equal to 12 divided by x plus 2 hours. T1 minus T2 is equal to 30 minutes. 30 minutes is nothing but half an hour. Substituting the value, T1 is nothing but 12 by x minus T2 is nothing but 12 by x plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. By taking x of x plus 2 as an LCM, x and x get cancelled, 12 into x plus 2 minus x plus 2 get cancelled, 12 into x is equal to 1 by 2. Inside multiplication, 12x plus 24 minus 12x divided by inside multiplication x square plus 2x is equal to 1 by 2. Minus 12x plus 12x get cancelled, 24 divided by x square plus 2x is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, 48 is equal to x square plus 2x. X square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0. Product is minus 48, difference is 2, 8 and 6. X square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 is equal to 0. By taking x as common, x plus 8 minus 6 as common, x plus 8 is equal to 0. X plus 8 bracket x minus 6 bracket is equal to 0. X plus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 8. or x minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. Positive is the answer. The speed of A is equal to 6 km per hour. Speed of B is equal to 6 plus 2, 8 km per hour. Time taken by A is equal to 12 by 6 is equal to 2 hours. Time taken by B is equal to 12 by 8 is equal to 1.5 hours. 27th question, if x is equal to p tan theta plus q secant theta and y is equal to p secant theta plus q tan theta, then prove that x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. Answer, x is equal to p tan theta plus q secant theta, y is equal to p secant theta plus q tan theta, x square is equal to p tan theta plus q secant theta the whole square. By using a plus b whole square, p square tan square theta plus q square secant square theta plus 2pq tan theta secant theta, call this as equation 1. Y square is equal to p secant theta plus q tan theta whole square. Once again using a plus b whole square is equal to p square secant square theta plus q square tan square theta plus 2pq secant theta tan theta, call this as equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, x square minus y square is equal to p square tan square theta plus q square secant square theta plus 2pq tan theta secant theta minus p square secant square theta minus q square tan square theta minus 2pq secant theta tan theta is equal to plus 2pq secant theta tan theta minus 2pq secant theta tan theta get cancelled. By taking p square as common, tan square theta minus secant square theta. By taking plus q square as common, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to p square of tan square theta minus secant square theta. By taking minus as common, minus q square is equal to tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to, by taking tan square theta minus secant square theta as common, p square minus q square. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to minus 1. Substitute that value is equal to p square minus q square bracket close into minus 1. Inside multiplication, minus into minus plus q square minus into plus minus p square. Therefore, x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. Or prove that cot square of 90 degree minus theta divided by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to 1 divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Answer, LHS, cot square of 90 degree minus theta divided by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Cot of 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta is equal to tan theta the whole square. It is nothing but tan square theta divided by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Tan theta is equal to ratio function sin theta by cos theta. Secant theta is equal to reciprocal function 1 by cos theta. Cosecant theta is equal to reciprocal function 1 by sin theta. Substituting that value is equal to tan square theta is nothing but sin square theta by cos square theta divided by tan square theta is nothing but sin square theta by cos square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta is nothing but 1 by sin square theta divided by secant square theta is nothing but 1 by cos square theta minus cosecant square theta is nothing but 1 by sin square theta is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta divided by cos square theta LCM sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta as it is divided by LCM sin square theta cos square theta sin square theta minus cos square theta sin square theta get cancelled is equal to here cos square theta get cancelled sin square theta divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta plus sin square theta get cancelled cos square theta shifted to numerator 1 into cos square theta is cos square theta divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to by taking LCM sin square theta minus cos square theta sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Substitute that value 1 divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta, that is equal to RHS. 28th question, find the median of the following data: class interval, frequency 20 to 40 7, 40 to 60 15, 60 to 80 20, 80 to 100 8. Answer: class interval, frequency, cumulative frequency. Class interval 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Frequency 7, 15, 20, 8. Cumulative frequency, first 7 as it is, 7 plus 15 22, 22 plus 20 42, 42 plus 8 is equal to 50. N is equal to 50, n by 2 is equal to 50 by 2 is equal to 25. 25 lies in the median class, that is 60 to 80. Therefore, L is equal to 60, F is equal to 20, CF is equal to 22, H 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. Substituting the value, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H is equal to 60 plus 25 minus 22 divided by 20 into 20 is equal to 60 plus 25 minus 22 is 3 divided by 20 into 20. 20 get cancelled is equal to 60 plus 3 is equal to 63. Median is equal to 63. OR, find the mode of the following data: class interval 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. Frequency 6, 9, 15, 9, 1. Answer: maximum frequency is 15. Therefore, model class is 5 to 7. Therefore, lower limit L is equal to 5. F1 is equal to 15, F0 is equal to 9, F2 is equal to 9, H 3 minus 1 is 2. Substitute the value in the formula. Mode is equal to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close into H is equal to, substituting the value, 5 plus 15 minus 9 divided by 2 into 15 minus 9 bracket close into 2 is equal to 5 plus 15 minus 9 is 6 divided by 15 2s are 30 minus 18 bracket close into 2 is equal to 5 plus 6 divided by 30 minus 18 is 12 into 2 is equal to 6 2s are 12 by 12 is 1, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Mode is equal to 6. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.